Welcome back to my channel. It is day 3 of Vlogmas if you're watching this. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, please go into the Vlogmas playlist on my channel and catch up on days 1 and 2. So I'm putting together the video for day 3 and I'm looking back at the footage and I'm like, do you ever feel like crazy stuff goes on in your house when you leave your husband alone with the kids? That's exactly what's happening here. So if you want to know what I'm talking about, just keep on watching.
This is just another episode of When Mommy's Not Home. Bryce has hair that is out of control and we're gonna cut his hair. This operation that I have set up is probably not mommy approved, so that's why we're gonna do it while she's at work, and she just left. So we've got him set up in the bathroom. All right, we're almost there, right? This is the type of stuff that we do when mommy is not home. So Bryce, what do you have, a stool?
I need a chair.
No, you have a stool, you can use the stool. Dan, what are you sitting on? The clothes basket? I think I'm going to need an extension cord. So I got my clippers here. I think I'm going to need like a 5 and a 4 sounds about right. I'm gonna need some of these. No touch. No touch!
We need all.
No, we don't need all these. No, you don't even know.
Then,
Boy, you don't even know.
then you need all of these.
I think we just need a 4 and a 5 right now. Because if mommy comes home and you're bald,
This is a tour.
I'll be more bald than I am.
This is a tour.
That's a 4. Good job.
And this is a 5. What
So-
is it? Put them in the back.
All right, wait. So you get the 4 and the 5.
So I did the tour.
Please bring both of them. We gotta take them in the shower. Dan, can you go get in your spot? Go get on your seat. No, not that seat. She does know English, I promise. Daddy's gonna use that chair. I just dropped the scissors. Yes, Dan, that's what I need. Thank you.
Yeah.
Can I have that? All right, what's this number? 4? Bryce, I don't need all them, buddy. I just need the 5.
I waited.
No, so you playing now. Now you just playing. Now you're playing. This is serious stuff, man. There it is. 3, 4, 5, and a 7. That sounds about right. Is those Dan shoes? Okay, I think we're ready. No, we're not going outside, baby. We're gonna cut Bryce's hair, and then Daddy might be living outside tonight.
You will be living outside tonight?
Yeah, because Mommy probably doesn't want us doing this.
Cutting my hair?
Just because of the setup, like we're in the bathroom. I'll be right back, okay? You guys do something cute, like talk and do something cute. All right, I have the extension cord. I think we're almost ready. No, Dan, please don't play with that.
Too noisy.
Too noisy?
Don't move after my hair.
I'm not. Come on. All right, ready? All right, that's taking too long. Let's do the 7. Okay.
I see my cartoon. Stop moving number 3. I want you to move the trigger. I want you to move the trigger to me.
You want to lose the scissors?
Yeah, I want you to move the scissors.
Okay, we're almost done. wrong with this? Show your hair now, Bryce. Whoa! You look so cool. You see his hair?
Yeah, I want to take it shower now.
That's a lot of hair, Brycey. You look like a little boy. Let me see. So who are you talking to? Dinda, who are you talking to? Where's Brycey? Where's Brycey? There's Brycey doing something he's probably not supposed to be doing. What were you doing with the lights?
So I must admit that the haircut does look really good, and Brian did a great job. In the middle of bedtime. He's reporting on Jordan that her binky fell out. But Brian did a great job with Bryce's haircut. So I am very proud of that, and I appreciate it because Bryce's hair was getting out of control. So going into the holidays, he will have a fresh haircut. And so I'm very happy about that. But I'm thinking that for Vlogmas, I may share what I do with my hair. If you are interested, give me a thumbs up or let me know in the comments. And I will see you for Vlogmas Day 4.